Have you ever stood in your kitchen, stirring a golden spice into your morning tea and wondered, I'm doing everything right, but why does my brain still feel wrapped in this heavy gray fog? I know that feeling of invisible weight. 5 years ago, I was doing what most of us do, taking my turmeric capsules and hoping for a miracle. But the fog wouldn't lift. It wasn't until I went back to my botanical library, back to the writings of Maria Trebin and modern clinical reviews, that I realized a shocking truth. The vast majority of people using these golden spices are getting almost none of their benefits. Today, I'm taking you inside my 20-year research to put two giants head-to-head, turmeric versus saffron. I'll reveal the #1 mistake that makes turmeric useless for your brain, the rare spice that was found to be as powerful as prescription memory medicine, and the exact 5-year golden synergy I used to stay sharper at 58 than I was in my 30s. Let's find out which one truly deserves a place in your mental sanctuary. Let's start with the one you likely already have, turmeric. Its active power comes from curcumin, a compound that acts like a natural fire extinguisher for brain inflammation. But here is the mastery secret that most gurus miss. Curcumin is almost impossible for your body to absorb on its own. Without two specific keys, roughly 97% of that turmeric passes right through you. You could take it every day for a year and feel no change in your brain fog. The fix? 2 non-negotiable rules. First, a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in pepper increases curcumin absorption by a staggering 2,000%. Second, you must take it with a healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado. Curcumin is fat-soluble. It needs a carrier to enter your bloodstream and cross the blood-brain barrier. If you've been taking it in plain water, that is why the fog remained. A systematic review published in 2024 looked at 19 clinical studies and found that curcumin significantly improved performance on memory and attention tests. There's even research from Dr. Michael Greger's team showing that a single dose, just 1/3 of a teaspoon of turmeric, can improve working memory within 6 hours. Just 6 hours. That's not weeks or months of waiting. That's the same afternoon. So yes, turmeric absolutely works, but only when you unlock it correctly. Now let me introduce you to the golden guardian for your memory, saffron. For thousands of years, in ancient Persia and Greece, saffron was worth more than its weight in gold. Today, modern science is confirming why. I found a clinical study that stopped me in my tracks. Researchers compared a specific saffron extract to donepezil, a standard prescription drug for Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline. And the result? Saffron was found to be statistically non-inferior. This means a simple spice from your kitchen could perform as well as a pharmaceutical in supporting memory and focus. Saffron contains crocin and saffronol. These compounds don't just fight fog. They increase blood flow to the brain and have powerful antidepressant effects. For us women over 50, navigating the mood swings and hormonal chaos of menopause, saffron is more than a memory booster. It is an emotional anchor. And unlike turmeric, it is well absorbed on its own. So, how do they compare in your weekly planning? On speed, turmeric, when taken correctly with pepper and fat, can show results in just 6 hours. It's an immediate brain wake-up. Saffron is a slow builder. Its real power for memory and mood peaks after 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use. On mood, both help, but saffron is the clear winner for anxiety and the menopause blues. On cost, turmeric is your daily workhorse. Saffron is an investment. It is the most expensive spice in the world, and you must be careful. So avoid the cheap powders that are often fake. Look for the pure crimson threads. So who wins? The honest answer from my 5-year journey. You don't have to choose because they're both incredible. But they shine in different ways, and the real mastery move is synergy. The real power move, and what I've personally found works best, is combining them strategically. Turmeric with black pepper and a little fat for that fast-acting daily brain support. Saffron, taken separately for the deeper, long-term cognitive protection that the research points to. It's not about one versus the other. It's about building a complete, layered approach to brain health. Here is my exact protocol. I use turmeric in the morning, always with a twist of black pepper and a teaspoon of healthy fat in my breakfast. It clears the morning mist. In the afternoon, when the 3 p.m. crash usually hits, I perform my saffron ritual. I steep 3 to 5 threads in warm, never boiling water. I watch the amber color swirl, and I breathe in the aroma. It is a moment of intentional calm that resyncs my brain for the evening ahead. This is more than a drink. It's a moment of intentional calm that tells your brain, we are safe, we are taking care of ourselves, and this is our time. It's the kind of moment that gently turns the lights on in a dim room. But while these are natural, they are potent. Turmeric can interact with blood thinners. Saffron in very large amounts, over 1.5 grams a day, can be toxic. So please, always consult your healthcare provider for personalized medical advice regarding medication use, or before adding anything new to your routine. True mastery of your health means being informed and safe. So I'm curious, which one are you using or going to try first? Turmeric with black pepper, or the golden power of saffron? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one, and I genuinely love to hear your experience. Feeding your brain with these golden spices is vital, but remember, you cannot build a sanctuary in a storm. If your night is chaotic, and your environment is filled with the triggers we discuss in my guides, your spices can only do so much. If you're ready to stop the guessing game and build a complete system, start with my free guide, You're Not Losing Your Mind, a simple night reset. It is the foundation that allows these spices to truly shine. You can find the link below. And for those of you who want to track your golden synergy and stay organized, my Mind Over Age planners are waiting for you in the shop. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Mind Over Age. It helps this little channel reach more women who are searching for exactly this kind of clarity. Thank you so much for being here in my calm corner. Try the saffron threads today. Be patient with your brain, and as always, be kind to your mind and be well. I'll see you in the next video.